Before upgrading your car tint, it's essential to understand the company's disclaimer. By familiarizing yourself with our disclaimer, you'll have a clear understanding of what to expect to your car tint after installation. After the drying period, you may observe minimal dust trapped between the glass and car tint. Basically, when we install tint, some tiny dust particles might get trapped inside. We try our best to keep it to a minimum, but we can't promise it'll be completely dust-free. Our tinting rooms are closed off to reduce dust, but it's just something that can happen during installation. It's because when we peel off the film, dust can stick to it. Rest assured, we prioritize quality and minimize dust during installation. Next up, let's talk about defroster lines. Some cars have these lines on the back window to help with defogging. If your car has them, it's important to pay attention. We prioritize the preservation of your defroster lines and utilize a steamer to safely remove the old tint while minimizing any potential damage. However, in cases where the old tint is exceptionally difficult to remove, fragmented, or leaves excessive adhesive residue, our last resort is to use a scraper. Our team knows what they're doing and will try their best to avoid any issues. Normal fading applies specifically to our Black Series tint. Visible light transmission, or VLT, refers to the amount of light that passes through a window. The lower the VLT percentage, the darker the tint. The higher the percentage, the lighter the tint appears. For overtime use of the tint, it's normal for tint to experience fading. If the VLT percentage gradually increases up to 69%, this falls within the range of normal fading. However, if the VLT suddenly increases to 70% or matches the VLT percentage of our Clear series within the warranty period, it will be covered under our warranty.